We have conducted our annual mycotoxin survey for over 20 years. In fact, it's the longest running and most comprehensive data set on mycotoxins available. Over those 20 years, we've learned that mycotoxins are not going away. They continue to be prevalent and harmful to corn, feed, and our animals' health and performance. While our survey is great for identifying geographic patterns, prevalence of major mycotoxin groups, and many other insights, what can help you most is to test for mycotoxins in your own operation. This allows you to get a true understanding of what your animals may be facing. We offer free and easy mycotoxin analysis for our customers. We then create a comprehensive risk assessment and recommendation on how to address those mycotoxins. Use the QR code to learn more about our service and how it can help you take charge of mycotoxins. You can't manage what you don't measure.